What is the work-life balance in abroad and here?
The work-life balance is not that much as compared to here. The thing is, they just want Indians because we don't question too much. There is not the millennial generation, the generation above us. They don't question that much as compared to Gen Z. So that's the problem.
Hello, good evening. Today we are covering very sensational issues with and also talking with the youths. So we have with us our brother. So why do you think that Indian youth are dreaming to settle abroad? Do you think that life in abroad is better than in India?
The thing is, the problem is not that; it is the expectation of the youth. They believe that their life will be, like heaven in the places abroad. But the reality is not that. The thing is, we feel, and we are forced with racism there. As you can see, in many places, many Indians are not getting job opportunities because of that. You can see, as I can tell you, with from a personal experience, my brother is in UK. He is not able to get an part-time job just because he is Indian. The reason is not that the white people and all, they have now anti-policy towards India. They believe that we are going there to grab their jobs and make them slaves. But the reality is not that. We are coming there to change our lives. It is not as.
So do you think that life in abroad is little convenient than in India?
Yeah, it is convenient, but the thing is, you can see as the period that has been gone when they got independence.
Do you think India is facing a brain drain
Yes,
due to unemployment, or what is the reason?
the reason is expectation of youth.
Okay.
You can see that as a country, we have very big projects. Like you can see the ISRO scientists, they are not getting that much salary as compared to an IIT student that is getting in abroad or working in Google. Their salary is very common, like 1 lakh. How much I don't know, but it would be a median salary of 1 lakh rupees per month. But the thing is, the youth expects more from the from any field that he is going into. So he wants to. Everybody is, because we are living in a capitalistic environment, and everybody wants to increase their standard and want to pursue more things so that they can live a comfortable and happy life. But in reality, some in some way you can't buy everything with money. As you can see, in when there are many disruptions in this country, in other countries like Dubai, UAE, the youth is the Indians who have gone to the country abroad, they are coming back for the reason because the home will always welcome you, whether you are in a good place or in a bad place. But the thing is, it should be, I asked NRI to come back to India and invest back in India.
May I ask you why your brother settled abroad? Did he not find any suitable opportunity here?
The thing is, as we are in this uh, the mahal or the environment we are brought up in the Punjabi environment. His so there mindset is like that we will go to abroad and settle there and have and earn in crores rupees. But the thing is, reality is not that. Very few are capable to achieve that dream, and they just brag about it. So the youth is manipulated because of that only. So
So
they
do you
just
think Indian youth should stay here and improve Indian life, or they should only go outside? What do you
I believe that they should go, but they should come back.
Okay.
They should go there. They should earn something, earn some money, earn some experience, earn some.
Do you think India don't have any potential to stay here and earn money here itself?
The thing is, the country has potential, but the corrupt system does not allow a person to, give his full potential. As you can see, there are many competitive. We are living in a competitive environment, and there is a lot of stress, and some people don't want stress. So they just want to go abroad and avoid all the stress, because the wealthy people here will not they have choices to go abroad, but the poor or the middle class doesn't have a choice, so they compete here. But the wealthy does not have a patience, or they don't want to take stress, so they don't compete in the competitive exam. They just settle abroad and go to foreign colleges, or try to give exams of those colleges that are abroad and get a better seat rather than competitive in paper like IIT, JEE and NEET exams. They rather go abroad and do the same thing and from a better and prestigious and university.
So you mean that lack of opportunities and corruption is pushing youth outside India?
Yeah, lack of opportunity.
What do you think the differences in political, or you can see political scenario? You can see government rules in abroad and here for businessmen, for work-life balance. What do you think?
The thing is, it is not. It is all about the capitalistic approach of the youth. At some time, we have to pause and think about the thing that what all the thing that we think the money can buy, it cannot.
Okay.
There are many people I know that have lot of money, but they are alone. They are not happy. So I believe that in any way you can help the people and help the society by donating or doing something for good for the society, like planting trees and cleaning up the environment.
We can
Making
learn.
India a better place.
We can learn so many things from abroad. As you mentioned, your brother is living outside India. You know, maybe he has mentioned you so many things about outside country. What is the work-life balance in abroad and here?
The work-life balance is not that much as compared to here. The thing is, they just want Indians because we don't question too much.
Okay.
There is not the millennial generation, the generation above us. They don't question that much as compared to Gen Z. So that's the problem.
Also, you think that people who want to do a startup and things, they get a proper support from the system and they get funded. But here, what do you think? What is lacking?
There are many schemes the government has put, but the youth is not that much aware, and it is very that much complicated to get a loan in India. First, you have to file ITRs. The ITR is good thing, but
How do you see Indian taxation system? How do you see it?
the taxation system is they take much, but they don't give that much.
Okay.
They take too much and don't give that much. Though I'm not giving a tax in the income tax slab, but I'm giving tax in GST.
Of course,
Everything I buy, everything I do, every service I take, I'm giving GST in that. So as I am a
So
CA
infrastructure quality and everything can be better.
as I am a CA aspirant, I believe that CAG, whatever the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, whatever they publishes, the news channel should publish that only and talk about those topics rather than doing Hindu Muslims and dividing the society in different parts, sects, and everything. Rather than doing that, we should unite India and not divide India on the basis of that.
You are absolutely right. Thank you for talking to us, and also all the best for your CA exams.